Hi everyone, my name is Rishit. Today is the 20th of October 2024. I'll be going over my weekly option chain analysis for the S&P 500. The max OI level has increased for PE and CE, that's a positive. Quantity is higher for CE, that's positive. Change is higher for CE, that's positive. Short squeeze is higher for CE, that's positive. And the PCR is extremely high, even higher than last week, that's a negative. Implied volatility and historical volatility are both lower, that's two positives. RSI is higher, that's positive. No divergence, that's actually positive. ADX is ADX is lower, that's negative. ATR is lower, that's positive. EMAs are higher for both, that's positive. VWAP is higher, that's positive. Pivot point is higher, that's positive. And the candlestick is bullish. The new support is 5850. Previous week's support was 5800. The new resistance is 5900, and the previous week's resistance was 5800. And overall, the option chain predicts that the S&P 500 goes up this week. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.